In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change screen timeout settings in Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by going to your Windows 11 desktop. From there, click the Start button on your taskbar, then select the Settings icon to open the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on System. Then from the main options on the right, select Power and Battery. Inside the Power and Battery section, find and click on Screen and Sleep to expand the available options. You'll now see different settings for controlling when your screen turns off. First, look for the option that says, on battery power, turn my screen off after. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose your preferred time limit, such as 5 minutes. You'll notice there are several options available, ranging from shorter times, like 3 minutes, to longer durations, like 1 hour, or even up to 5 hours. Choose the one that best fits how you use your device. Next, look for the option that says, when plugged in, turn my screen off after. Click the drop-down menu and select your preferred time limit for when your device is connected to power. Once you've selected your preferred settings, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes will be applied automatically. Adjusting these settings can help you manage power usage more efficiently. For example, setting a shorter timeout while on battery can help extend your laptop's battery life. If you're using a desktop computer, you may only see the option for when the device is plugged in. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.